Nature is mountains. It is the oceans. It is the rugged terrain of Aruba. It is the fish hiding amongst the mangroves of Curacao. It is the crash of the waves against the coral reefs of Bonaire. It is the drops of rain on the trees of the elfin forest in Ceiba. It is the bloom of the morning glory flower as the sun rises in Statia. It is the brown pelican soaring above the coast of St. Martin. Nature surrounds us. It is you. It is me. It is the Dutch Caribbean. A group of tropical islands surrounded by deep, mysterious, profound blue. A place where the ocean is our home, our source of culture, economies, and food. It is what connects us all. It is our job to maintain the sea for both our generations and those to come. In a world facing great ecological challenges, the ocean is the largest system that keeps our planet in balance. And to maintain a healthy world, we must understand this vast oceanic system. We, the Dutch Caribbean Nature Alliance, work together, hand in hand with representatives from all 6 islands to achieve our mission: safeguard nature in the Dutch Caribbean. We foster and support collaboration between conservationists, scientists, diplomats, tourism operators, artists, but most importantly, with local populations. One of the best ways to safeguard nature is to create protected areas, places where wildlife are safe from harm and exploitation, where they can thrive sustainably. One of these such places is the Urari Marine Mammal and Shark Sanctuary, which includes 3 of the 6 islands. But what if it also included Aruba, Curacao, and St. Martin? Projects like these are our ultimate goal and the reason we exist. And to do so, we study our apex predators lying at the top of the food chain, balancing the marine ecosystem. Sharks. These animals travel the wide ocean, connecting all Dutch islands regardless of political boundaries. They serve as the shepherds of our seas, and to truly protect them, we must understand their world. This is just one example of the many projects we do in order to understand species, their needs, and support the protection through management plans. To protect their home, my home, your home, our Dutch Caribbean home. We need your help to achieve this, but we can't do it alone. We need your help to safeguard nature now and indefinitely in the future, for our kids, for our kids' kids, and for ourselves. Learn more at dcnanature.org.